Whether you're reacting to damage or staying ahead of it with scheduled maintenance, maintenance management from Cheqroom closes the gap between broken gear and gear that's ready to use. Here's what that looks like when something breaks. A user flags a damaged item and it's instantly removed from availability, so nobody books equipment that's out of service. An admin gets notified of the flag, heads to their item's dashboard, and opens a new maintenance request right there. No separate tool. This creates a work order with everything your team needs, such as a due date, a priority level, and any custom fields your workflow uses, like estimated cost. Then they assign a technician. The technician is notified immediately and can access all their open maintenance requests right in Cheqroom. They log repair details and important notes, and can even complete a sign-off checklist. Once the job's done, they clear the flag and close the work order. The item returns to availability automatically, ready for the next checkout. And all of this happens in one system. That's not the end of the story. Every photo, repair, note, and cost stays attached to the item's record. So if that same item breaks again 6 months from now, you're not relying on memory. You have the full maintenance history to help you decide whether it's worth repairing again or it's time to replace it. Whether you're catching damage as it happens or preventing it before it starts, maintenance management takes you further. Get started with maintenance management from Cheqroom today and let Cheqroom get your gear back in rotation fast.